Hello everybody, hope everyone's doing well. So I'm going to quickly just run through a great tool that I found that would be good for a flipped classroom activity or to create a video for flipped classroom. It's called Camtasia 2018. I just found it online, downloaded it quickly. It's a screen casting software, and so essentially it just records what is on your computer screen. As you can see, it's what I'm using right now. So I just pulled it up, and so right now this is the main screen. You have your media bin over here, so if you have any videos that you want to be involved or you want to add, it goes in here, and then you have your tracks down here. So track 1 is where the video that I've uploaded already. It's a video that I recorded previously about the flipped classroom. It's just an introductory video. So in order to get that on there, I just recorded a video using this actual software, and it just uploaded it automatically. If you wanted to upload a video or some media that is not recorded using this software, using some others, you'd go to this plus sign down here at the bottom of the media bin, where you can import from the media on your computer or import from a Google Drive. So I will just show you a couple quick things you can do with the Camtasia software. So right now, if I press play, it'll play the video.
Hello,
So it's just a quick
a
transition type that I added at the beginning there. So since this is a PowerPoint video, you can add some transitions to your different slides. So I just added one to the beginning there. I'll play it again. It's the checkerboard one that I just clicked and I dragged it to the bottom and added it. I'm not going to add it again. So then when I press play, it does it automatically for
Hello,
me.
everyone.
Another cool tool you can add if you wish to is any kind of annotation, so arrows, shapes, any callouts. So on this one here, I just went to that time, so there's the one slide, the traditional classroom slide. Press play, and then it just shows up. I added at the end of the flipped classroom presentation, the video, a call out. So I believe it was, we'll check it out. I'll press play, and then
so a couple references I found.
So then it just pops up there. So you can manipulate the video whatever you with anything, transitions, behaviors, some animations, cursor effects. You can narrate it if it or it doesn't have audio already, and then you simply just if you would like to add any of these things, you just simply grab it and then drag it to any point in the video that you want to see it. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, no, it's a really great tool. It's pretty easy to do. You can record your own videos with the actual software. It uploads it right away, and then you can share it at the top right here. Share to these different websites. So then with this one, I just uploaded it to YouTube, and I will do the same with this one. So a couple of good websites that I found for Flipped Learning. So Edutopia, it's a pretty popular website among teachers and teaching students. So flipped class or flipped learning, just hit search, and you have 150 results. So this is good. It gives you teachers great ideas on lesson plans for flipped learning, some good toolkits. So I actually found Let's Talk Tech. Yeah, so this is the one where I actually found the idea for the screencasting software. So Camtasia and other ones here. So I use this website here to formulate that introductory video. Has some really good information, some good videos that you can see that gives you just a basic overview of flipped classroom, what it looks like, and also instruction on how do you flip your class, step-by-step introduction. So this is from the University of Texas at Austin. So it's an American website, but it still works for Ontario teachers. And then I got this. This is a good website, the University of Waterloo. So the title is In-Class Activities and Assessment for the Flipped Classroom. So again, it gives you just a quick introduction into the flipped classroom idea. Course design, planning a flipped class, online activities, assessment, links you can click on here. Also, it gives a list of really good individual activities as well as group activities for larger class sizes, group activities for smaller class sizes, and there's some really good ones here, some that we are very familiar with. So think Pair Share, one that we're familiar with for group activities, concept maps, and iClicker. So that's another technology based activity that you can do if it is available at your school. So these are all good ideas. Again, there's a wealth of information online where you can find excellent lesson plans and lesson plan ideas, activity ideas for your flipped classroom. So thank you for listening. Hope that was helpful, and good luck.